Imagine waking up every morning, feeling like you're running in place, working harder, spending more on every campaign, burning out your team. But still, results slip through your fingers like smoke. The market is noisier, fiercer, faster, and yet, the marketing strategies that once worked don't cut it anymore. Most founders, leaders, and marketers out there are caught in a trap, a cage woven by invisible forces they barely understand. There's a dark reality lurking beneath the surface of every ad you run, every post you boost, every email you send. It's the silent puppeteer pulling strings from behind the curtain. It's the algorithm, not just a tool, but the secret controller of modern marketing. You might think you're in control, making decisions based on data, creativity, and intuition. But here's the brutal truth. Algorithms decide who sees your content, when they see it, and if they even see it at all. Your carefully crafted message could vanish into the void in a split second, unnoticed, unloved, untouched. This isn't about your talent. It isn't about your ideas. It's about a system rigged against individuality, innovation, and raw human connection. Think about that sinking feeling when you launch a campaign and the numbers look good, but deep down, you know it's hollow. Engagement isn't real engagement. Audiences aren't truly connecting. They're just being nudged, pushed, and pulled by some invisible hand you can't see, juggling their attention for the benefit of machines, not humans. The algorithms thrive on habits, predictability, and conventional answers, starving innovation of oxygen. They reward the mediocre. They punish the bold. You're fighting a war against a ghost, an entity built to keep you compliant, caged within a framework that denies you the real freedom to create, to disrupt, to become more than a cog in a soulless machine. The system isn't broken. It's built this way on purpose. It's designed to keep control concentrated, dictating what success looks like, who gets the spotlight, and who fades into oblivion. The pain, it's real. The frustration of spending months, maybe years, trying to outsmart invisible gates that close in your face. The loneliness of being misunderstood by the very rules meant to liberate you. The exhaustion of constant testing, tweaking, chasing trends that vanish overnight. The despair when you realize the rules aren't just unfair, they are fundamentally opposed to true, raw human ambition and individuality. But here's the promise burning brighter than any algorithmic shadow. It doesn't have to be this way. Imagine harnessing the algorithms, not becoming their victim. Instead of fighting a system you can't see, what if you learned to speak its language, on your terms? What if the machine became your silent partner, amplifying your essence, not diluting it? How? First, step out of the illusion that all algorithms are your enemy. Algorithms are tools, engineered to predict patterns in human behavior. The problem is not the algorithm itself, but your relationship to it. When you treat it like a black box, a mysterious monster, you surrender your power. But once you understand that algorithms respond to signals, signals only you can send with true intention, you start reshaping the rules from inside. Break free from generic content. Stop settling for playing it safe with best practices that everyone else copies. The algorithm favors content that lifts the human spirit. Content that makes people stop scrolling because it hits them right in their core. That's your leverage. Don't create content that's just noise. Create signals. Real, bold human signals that slice through the static. Dare to be rare. Dare to be deeply authentic. The algorithm can't resist that because it thrives on engagement. And deep emotional connection is what drives engagement better than anything else. Next, don't obsess over every single metric at the surface level. Vanity metrics are a trap. Likes, shares, views, they mean nothing if your audience isn't transformed. Focus on the value you create, the change you spark, the questions you ignite in people's minds. Be ruthless about purpose. Align your entire marketing battle plan with a mission so strong, it becomes magnetic even to the algorithms. Then, this part is crucial, stop trying to master every platform as if they were islands. Instead, create an ecosystem, a network of touchpoints that work together seamlessly. Algorithms love signals that bounce around multiple places because that means real interest and loyalty. When your audience sees you everywhere, consistently delivering value, algorithms reward you with visibility. Build your own infrastructure of presence and influence, your autonomous network that no algorithm can fully suppress. Here's an insider secret. Algorithms love collaboration. When you connect with other creators, founders, and leaders, not just for mutual promotion, but for true co-creation, you multiply your impact exponentially. You create a chain reaction of signals, stronger than any isolated push. It's not about scaling noise. We're talking scaling essence. Find those rare few who share your fire, your vision, your refusal to settle. Align your marketing with them, and watch how the machine begins to bend under the weight of your combined force. But none of this will happen overnight. Patience is the only real strategy in a world ruled by fast feedback loops and fleeting trends. The long game wins. Plant seeds that take root beneath the surface, nurture relationships that the algorithm can't fake or ignore, and play an eternity of checkers while others are stuck in instant gratification chess moves. Now imagine the freedom when you stop being the algorithm's puppet and start being its master. Imagine marketing not as an exhausting, soul-crushing grind, but as a powerful tool to amplify your purpose and transform industries. Imagine the rare few, founders, rebels, visionaries, linking arms, their combined signal lighting up the whole digital sky. That's the future that's waiting to be built, for those who dare to burn brighter than any algorithm's cold calculations. This is a call to everyone who feels that gnawing inside, the feeling that there's more, that the marketing world doesn't have to be a game of luck and manipulation. You were never meant to copy, to blend, to fit. You were meant to define, to disrupt, to lead. The algorithm is not the enemy, it's the mirror. And what that mirror reflects back is only as powerful as the signal you send. Don't fall for the lie that freedom in marketing means letting machines decide your fate. True freedom means knowing how to dance with these invisible forces, bending them to serve your mission, to amplify your fire, to connect the rare few who will remake the future. When you do this, you don't just survive the algorithm, you transcend it. Hold tight to this truth. The system forgot the exceptional. It forgot that brilliance doesn't conform. It forgot that innovation needs hunger, disruption needs discomfort, and real marketing needs soul. The invisible algorithm? It can't hold down what refuses to be tamed. It can't hide what shines brighter than its cold code. So get ready. Tear down the rulebook fed to you by the so-called experts who worship mediocrity. Burn through the conventional. Seek out those few who light your fire. Master the hidden rules, not to become a slave, but to become sovereign. Question everything, unlearn what you've been told, and go beyond the algorithm's script. What's coming next won't be about tricks or hacks. It will be about owning your power. The power to send a signal so fierce it breaks through every wall, opens every gate, and changes the game forever. That power has been inside you all along. The algorithm can't suppress what it can't predict or control. And that's you. Find your signal. Ignite your network. Own your destiny. Because the future of marketing isn't controlled by algorithms. It's created by those who dare to burn.